Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Fincen Form 114. Start by gathering your foreign account numbers, maximum values, and bank details for the reporting year. Next, create or access your BSA filing account and select FBAR filing. Carefully enter each account with its maximum value in dollars and institution information. Review entries for accuracy, sign electronically, and submit before the annual deadline to avoid penalties. Gather all statements and transaction records for every foreign account you controlled during the year. Use the highest aggregate value in US dollars for reporting and note the conversion method you used. Ensure each account's owner name, address, and TIN or SSN are recorded correctly. Organize supporting documents so you can reference them if asked, and keep copies for at least 5 years in case of review. Access the BSA e-filing system and begin a new FBAR submission for Fincen Form 114. Carefully enter each account's maximum dollar value, account number, and foreign bank name, and specify account type and ownership percentage. Verify that your personal information matches IRS records before you electronically sign the certification. After submission, download and store the confirmation and a copy of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.